Hi guys, welcome to WissenWorld. This channel is for the people who are interested in learning new things in science and technology. To know more and to stay connected, please visit the links in the description below.
Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to see how to install Autodesk Eagle. So first of all, open your favorite browser and type Autodesk Eagle in the search bar. Click on the first link, download Eagle. Now you can see that Eagle is supported on Mac, Linux and Windows. We are going to install it on a Windows system, so download for Windows. Now you just need to click here and just browse to the location where you want to save the software. Now once downloaded, open the folder where you have downloaded the Eagle software, run it, just accept the license agreement. And click install. Now as I have already downloaded the software, so I'll not install it again. Now once downloaded, open Eagle. Now if you are opening Eagle for the first time, you will get a sign in window. It is not preferred to sign in, but I recommend that you must sign in so that you get to know the latest updates in Eagle software. And first, if you haven't created an Autodesk Eagle account, so first click on create account, enter your credentials and create account. After creating, enter your email ID in the sign in window, enter the password, and then you will get a code. To verify this code, either you can download the app or you can use another method in which either the code will be sent to your email ID or on the phone number. Now I am getting the code on my phone number because I selected it. So send code and enter the code that you received on your phone number. This is the window that will open when you start the Eagle.
If you like our work and want to learn more, please support us by giving us a like and do share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded.